Hello and welcome friends to our fifth problem solving session related to gravitation. As you all know, we are discussing some level 2, that is AIEEE level questions. So let us straight away start our today's session with the first question, that is right on your screen. Now, according to this question, first of all let me read it out. Weight of 1 kg becomes 1/6 on moon if radius of moon is 1.768 into 10 to the power 6 meter, then the mass of moon will be. So we need to calculate the mass of moon. Is this clear to each and everyone? Again, it is the question of, as we have discussed in previous problem solving session, this question is related to acceleration due to gravity. Now weight of a body becomes 1/6 on moon, that is weight is equal to, we know, mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now if weight is, say for example, WE, that is on earth, then this weight on moon is 1/6 that of on the earth. Is this clear? Now the radius of the moon is given to us, so we need to find the mass of moon. Now weight on moon will be mass of that body into acceleration due to gravity on moon, which should be equal to 1/6 mass of that body into acceleration due to gravity on earth. Now mass of a body is not going to change if you change the place, because mass is amount of substance, so this will be a constant. So you can directly write down over here that Gm should be equal to 1/6 times Ge. Is this clear to each and everyone? Okay friends, and also we know that Ge is equal to Gme upon Re square, and this has a value of 9.8 meter per second square. So from here I can write down Gm will be equal to 9.8 divided by 6 meter per second square. Is it fine? But we also know that Gm would be equal to G, mass of moon upon radius of moon square. This should be equal to 9.8 divided by 6, which has a value of 1.63. Is this clear? So from this we can simply calculate the mass of moon, which will come out to be, yes friends, so mass of moon will be 1.63 times Rm, that is radius of moon square, divided by the universal gravitation constant, that is G. So mass of moon will be equal to 1.63 into the radius of moon is given to us as, yes friends, 1.768 into 10 to the power 6, that should be whole squared, divided by 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. And on calculating this, you will get a value that your mass of moon comes out to be 7.65 into 10 to the power 22 kgs. Is this clear to each and everyone? So the correct option out of the given 4 comes out to be option D, that is 7.65 into 10 to the power 22 kgs. Is it clear?